If you're familiar with the self-improvement industry, you've probably heard about manifestation. Manifestation is the idea that you can attract into your life what you want by focusing your thoughts and energy on it. It's based on the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. In other words, if you focus on positive thoughts, you'll attract positive experiences, while negative thoughts will bring negative experiences. In this article, we'll explore the concept of manifestation, how it works, and how you can use it to create the life you want. What is manifestation? Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires into reality by focusing your thoughts and energy on them. It's based on the law of attraction, which states that everything is energy and like attracts like. The law of attraction is a fundamental principle of the universe and is always at work, whether you're aware of it or not. When you focus your thoughts and energy on what you want, you'll attract more of it into your life. Manifestation is not magic, but rather a natural process that works in accordance with the laws of the universe. The science of manifestation. While manifestation is often associated with spirituality and New Age beliefs, there is also a scientific explanation behind it. The law of attraction is based on the principle of quantum physics, which states that everything is made up of energy and that everything is connected. When you focus your thoughts and energy on something, you create a vibration that resonates with that thing. This vibration attracts similar vibrations, and eventually, you'll attract what you want into your life. The process of manifestation. Manifestation is a simple process, but it requires focus and consistency. Here are the steps to manifesting your desires. Step 1. Get clear on what you want. The first step in manifestation is to get clear on what you want. This requires taking some time to reflect on your desires and goals. Write them down and make them as specific as possible. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to focus your energy on them. Step 2. Visualize. Once you've identified what you want, the next step is to visualize it. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already having what you desire. See it, feel it, and experience it in your mind as vividly as possible. Visualization is a powerful tool that helps you align your energy with your desires. Step 3. Belief. Belief is a crucial part of manifestation. You must believe that what you want is possible and that you deserve it. If you don't believe in your ability to manifest your desires, it's unlikely that you'll be able to attract them into your life. Step 4. Take action. Manifestation is not just about thinking positively. It also requires taking action. You must be willing to take inspired action toward your goals. This means following your intuition and doing what feels right, even if it's outside of your comfort zone. Step 5. Trust the process. Finally, trust the process. The universe works in mysterious ways, and sometimes things may not happen exactly as you planned. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that everything is happening for your highest good. Tips for manifesting your desires. Here are some additional tips for manifesting your desires. Tip 1. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is an essential part of the manifestation process. When you're grateful for what you have, you attract more of it into your life. Take some time each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for. Tip 2. Use affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to help shift your mindset and energy. They help to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your thoughts with your desires. For example, if you want to attract more abundance into your life, you could repeat affirmations such as, "I am worthy of abundance," or, "Money flows easily and effortlessly to me." You can write your own affirmations or find ones that resonate with you online. Tip 3. Stay positive. Staying positive is essential when it comes to manifestation. Negative thoughts and energy can block the flow of abundance and make it harder to attract what you want. Focus on positive thoughts and feelings, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Remember that everything is happening for your highest good, and trust that the universe has a plan for you. Tip 4. Use visualization techniques. Visualization techniques can help to enhance your manifesting abilities. One popular technique is creating a vision board. A vision board is a collage of images, words, and phrases that represent your desires and goals. It serves as a visual reminder of what you want and helps you to focus your energy on your goals. You can create a physical vision board using magazine cutouts and a poster board, or create a digital one using a website or app. Tip 5. Let go of resistance. Resistance is the opposite of allowing, and it can block the manifestation process. Resistance comes in many forms, such as self-doubt, fear, and limiting beliefs. To let go of resistance, you must first identify what is holding you back. Once you've identified your resistance, you can work on releasing it through practices such as meditation, journaling, or therapy. Conclusion. Manifestation is a powerful tool that can help you create the life you want. By focusing your thoughts and energy on your desires, you can attract more of what you want into your life. Remember to stay positive, take inspired action, and trust the process. With these tips and techniques, you can become a master at manifesting your desires and living the life of your dreams. FAQs. Question: Is manifestation just wishful thinking? Answer: No. Manifestation is not just wishful thinking. It's a natural process that works in accordance with the laws of the universe. When you focus your thoughts and energy on what you want, you'll attract more of it into your life. Question: Can anyone manifest their desires? Answer: Yes, anyone can manifest their desires. Manifestation is a skill that can be learned and practiced. It requires focus, consistency, and belief in your ability to attract what you want. Question: How long does it take to manifest something? Answer: The time it takes to manifest something varies depending on the complexity of your desire, your level of belief and alignment, and the actions you take. Some things may manifest quickly, while others may take longer. Trust the process and be patient. Question: Can manifestation be used for negative purposes? Answer: While manifestation is a neutral process, it can be used for negative purposes. It's important to use manifestation for the highest good of yourself and others. Question: Can manifestation replace hard work? Answer: No. Manifestation is not a replacement for hard work. It requires taking inspired action toward your goals. Manifestation can enhance your efforts and make the process easier, but it still requires effort and action on your part. Thanks for watching.